Hello kids, Jatin here. Today we are going to draw a parrot sitting on a branch by using pencil and eraser with basic lines and basic shapes. Make one straight line. Make one curve from the first stop where we made a standing line and then come up to some limit like a P for parrot. Now from this point, not from this point, little bit far away from this point, make it one more curve and touch towards downside. Now extend this line little bit more by a standing line, one slanting line going towards a standing line. This is a tail, this is a stomach, this is a mouth and a face. One curve, this is a feather. One curve going towards downside. Again from another point to the end point, same curve, and one more curve touching towards second line half. This is a big, and one small eyes at the center, at the front of the big, by making circle inside. Now at the lower stomach, one more curve as a claw, that is a parrot of a claws. Now one more curve, it is a claw, a leg, which is parrot is sitting on a branch. One more slanting line going towards downside, one more slanting line going towards downside, and one more slanting line going towards upside and coming back to first standing line. That is a branch where parrot has been sitting. Now few leaf, one dot, two dot, one curve from first point to second point, one more curve, same, but we have to change our curve line. Same thing here, one dot, two dot, one curve, two curve, one dot, two dot, one curve, two curve. At the center, one slanting line, that is a main vein of the leaf. Again one slanting line, again one slanting line. This is the branch, this is the leaf, this is the parrot, this is a claw of a parrot where parrot has been sitting on a branch. This is a face, this is an eye. Now parrot is found in green color, so we have to make it color by using oil pastel colors. Kids, if you have wax color, you can use it wax color. If you have crayons color, you can use it crayons color. If you have oil pastel color, you can use it oil pastel color. But in oil pastel colors, kids, take it in consideration that oil pastel has a big lid. It has a big lid. See here, oil pastel has a big lid which disturbs your drawing. So first of all, whenever you are going to use oil pastel colors, first do border. I am doing I am filling color inside. You can see it. First border. First do border, so color cannot get outside, and then fill inside. If you are filling in standing position, please fill it in standing position. If you are filling in slipping, then slipping. Do not change the positions. Now my parrot face is ready. Now I am going towards downside. One standing line border. I am curving the border first. Now I am going towards term marks. Now I am filling inside with a standing position. Fill inside. Now go to tail. Parrot is found in light green color, so I am making it light green color fully. My parrot body is done. Now I am going towards beak, which is found in red color. Do it slowly because it is small line and the passage is also small. Take it ochre yellow color. For a dry wood, do border first and then fill inside. Same thing here. Curve and slanting line. One more slanting line and fill inside in a slanting mode because our branch is in a slant. Fill inside. Done. Now take a green color for making leaf. Curve and curve. Fill in center. Same thing in another. Make it two curve border and then fill in center. Same thing in a third one. Done. Our parrot is ready. If you want to draw it in your book, you can draw it by easily steps with the following lines and shapes. Thank you, kids.